If you haven't already, hit that like button and subscribe and turn on post notifications so you don't miss any of our future videos.
Aloha, our keto friends. What are we making, Kai?
Pecan pancakes.
Pecan pie pancakes. When I was a little girl, June is dairy month, and I grew up in Medford, Wisconsin. Mm-hmm. And in Medford, Wisconsin, there's a big farming community, and on Saturdays, we would go to one of the farms, and they would have this huge pancake breakfast for everybody. Yeah. And they would have bacon and sausages and scrambled eggs and fried eggs and juices. So we are recreating that here. This is actually Everly water. It's fruit tea Everly water. It's really good. But I'm going to show you how to make the pancakes. So Kai, I need you to step just this way a little bit. And what we're going to do is we're going to start with the syrup, because obviously we can't use maple syrup because it's just too much sugar. Kai, can you open this one? So we are going to, actually we'll just use one stick. I got the stick, okay, bud? Listen, we're going to use one stick. So I'm going to put 1 stick of butter. So you want a 1/2 cup of butter in the pot, and you're going to heat it to high heat because you're going to make brown butter. It makes the best syrup you've ever had. And you want to whisk.
I have to whisk.
You have the whisk. Oh, I was looking for it. And just let it melt first, okay, bud? But you want to whisk close by because this is going to froth up while you make the syrup. I'm going to have everything else ready. We're going to top it with whipped cream because Kai loves his whipped cream canister. And don't forget, you share these YouTube videos. You go to YouTube, you click share, and you could win some of my books because I got a garage filled with books and I need to get rid of them. So this is sizzling. Good job, Kai. And you're going to want a 1/2 cup of butter. So 1/2 cup of butter, 1/2 cup of almond milk or heavy cream. I'm going to lighten it up with almond milk. And a 1/2 cup of Swerve confectioners. That's what you're going to use for the syrup. And maple extract. Maple extract or maple stevia. We've got stevia here. That's going to give it that maple leaf flavor that you're looking for. So Kai, you can start stirring that. Good job. Now I do the syrup before I make the pancakes, usually like even a day or two before. It'll store in the fridge for a couple days. It's really delicious. Brown butter tastes absolutely fantastic on fish, shrimp, steak, you name it. Brown butter is amazing. If you've never had it, you must try it. See, this guy can even do it. So what's going to happen is it will froth up, and then it'll settle back down. And you'll see little brown flecks up here. And that's your brown butter. So I'm going to get the rest of the stuff ready. Want a 1/2 cup of the Swerve. Okay. Set this aside. Oh, it's getting real quiet. That means it's turning brown. I can do this in my sleep. Nice job, bud.
For me, I have to be awake.
You have to be awake. Yeah, it's probably a good idea to be awake. So see how it's turning brown, Kai? Yeah. I know I need a camera overhead. I'm sorry, everybody. So what I'm going to do now is
put some pecan.
Well, first I'm going to turn it off. This is not pecans. That's next. Okay? So you can whisk that in. And then this. And if your syrup tends to separate, it could be because you're not using Swerve. You can just add some cream cheese to that, just like a tablespoon, and that will help emulsify it. And then some of my maple extract. And now we're going to set that aside, okay?
Like maple syrup?
Like maple syrup, yes. Here, I want to put it into a jar so everybody can see what it looks like. Where did that go? Here it is.
Looks like normal syrup.
Looks like normal syrup, right?
Yep.
Can you move that aside, bud? Sometimes you like Lancanto syrup, don't you?
Yeah.
So, Lancanto, that brand. Yeah. So here we go. This is our syrup.
Shout out to Lancanto.
We're going to set that aside. Now we're going to make the pecan pie part. So you need a cup of pecans, and that's going to go into a food processor or blender, and put that all in there. And then Kai, can you crack 3 eggs into there? So nope, we're use them right over here, bud. Good job. There we go. And then 3 eggs, and you want 4 ounces of cream cheese. All right, there we go. I got it all, my hands all dirty. Good job, Kai. Awesome. And then we're gonna put the cover on. Oh, wait, one more thing. You want your maple stevia. You could use a tablespoon of Swerve, but since this is stevia, and we don't have extract, we have maple stevia. If you have extract, maple extract, use a little bit of Swerve in there to make it a little sweet. And then we're gonna turn it on. So Kai, can you do that? I'm gonna get the pan out.
Chop.
Either one works, buddy. Good job. Perfecto. Now I'm going to heat the pan with some tablespoon of butter. I don't have enough utensils over here. I need like a knife or something. I know. Crazy, crazy. Okay, Kai, that's good. You just like to do that, don't you? I got to tell you, going to those farms when I was a kid was one of my favorite memories on Saturdays because I mean, every family in our little town of Medford would go and support that local farmer and eat, you know, a delicious breakfast and talk to our friends, and all the parents would go. And
when you were a kid.
When I was little, that was over, you know, that was over 30 years ago. It was probably 35 years ago, and
So I didn't have that.
no, you didn't. I doubt that they could even do that because it might be like a health inspector type issue. Because it was in the barn. We would go in the barn and have breakfast on big picnic tables. So what you're going to do, this batter is perfect and thick. If you can't see, here, I'll set this aside. It's nice and thick. And once the pan and the butter's hot, you're gonna put your pancakes on there. Kai, you wanna get a flipper?
Yeah. I'm gonna flip.
You're gonna flip them.
Add experience.
You have experience, yes he does. But maybe mommy will do it because we want it to look good for the picture. Sometimes we end up macerating them, don't we? Okay, don't touch them yet. Remember, the bubbles have to form?
Yes.
The bubbles will form, and I'm going to get a plate to put them on, okay, bud? Do you want to tell them about the snake?
Oh yeah, there was a snake in our shower.
Yes, mommy has an outdoor shower, and I said, Kai, it's about time you take a shower, right?
Yep.
And so you went outside to take a shower. What was there?
A snake.
A big snake, like
Yeah.
a thick snake, and I did not believe you. We went out there, and it was huge, and then what did it do?
Hissed at
It
us.
rattled, didn't it? Just
Yeah.
like a rattlesnake. So we were like, uh-oh, maybe someone had a pet, and the rattlesnake got out.
It was like a fox snake
Yeah,
or something.
I guess it's a fox snake. So
But
Micah's trying to
catch it.
catch it. We'll see what happens
He
there.
wants to grab it.
He wants to grab it. Isn't that crazy? I don't want to see it anymore.
It doesn't have fangs though.
Doesn't have fangs. I don't want to shower outside anymore. But so anyway, we're gonna wait for these to get all ready and delicious.
Now it's in our mulch.
Mulch?
Uh-huh.
Oh yeah. So let me check them, okay, bud? I'm just gonna see. Oh, they're good. I'm gonna flip them, okay?
Can I?
Okay, you try. Sometimes it doesn't work so good, right? It's all right. Oh, nope.
Whoa.
Let me do it, bud.
Yeah.
Okay, so now we got a macerated pancake. That's all right. And then we're gonna flip this one. Oh, now mommy macerated it. So we both macerated them. So anyway, this is what's gonna happen. You have a delicious, yummy pancake that's gonna come out of the pot.
It broke.
It broke. That's all right. So we're gonna put that on a plate. Oh my gosh. And then you're gonna put your syrup on it. And Kai, do you wanna do this?
Yeah.
Yeah, you put that on the pancake. Here,
First I want to get.
I'll hold it over here for you.
You need to shake it.
Shake it. Uh-oh, now we got we got stuff everywhere. Oh, now that looks like delicious. You wanna eat it? Oh, you just want that part. So these are the pecan pie pancakes with homemade maple syrup without any sugar, and you could have this for a delicious Saturday dairy breakfast in June. Oh boy. All right, we hope that you enjoyed this video, and make sure to tell your friends that keto can be delicious and easy. Even a 9-year-old can make this stuff, right? Mahalo, everyone.
Mahalo.
Sharing is caring.